Welcome to Short Circuit Effects. In this video we'll be covering the basics of the workflow and some UI as well. You'll notice that as you open up World Machine, you can open up a secondary window. Unfortunately, if you've got the trial version, you won't be able to open up a secondary window. You'll have to use it in the main window and toggle between the device view and the 3D view. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to open this up for you because I do have the full version. A couple of things is you'll notice I've placed down a good selection of different types of devices that you can get in World Machine, starting from the generator, which is green, and all the way through to the output, which is red. For the most part, if you think of World Machine as something where you have to generate your terrain starting with a black and white map and then modifying it and then eventually using natural erosion to erode it to look like real world terrain, you can then output it using the output nodes. Anything in between is going to be modifying your geometry or your texture, which we'll talk about later. But usually what I do is I have my generators and then I've got my terrain modification tools or devices. I've got my erosion device and then I've got my texture device. So to the left of the erosion is modifying of terrain, and to the right of erosion is modifying the texture. Now, in order for you to preview each one of these devices, you can click on them and you will instantly see them. And as you will you remember me mentioning that you are creating terrain using maps, essentially black and white maps. The way that you can see that is by setting the terrain color here to something like grayscale. And this will allow you to see that whenever a texture area is white, it will be a height extrusion. As you can see there, whatever is black will be intruded and whatever is white will be extruded. If you combine the two, you'll notice that you'll get something of a combination there. You can modify the combiner as well to get different types of combinations of your terrain. But you'll notice that every time I select another device, that device will be displayed. If you want to lock your device view, you just press F. And it's good for you to learn these shortcuts. Those will be available and linked at the bottom of this video. F will toggle preview lock on and off. That's it for this video. Thanks.